Hey everyone, welcome. We'll start a brand new series all about Ollama today. It's an amazing tool that lets you run LLMs like Mistral, Llama, etc. right on your computer. So let's get started. In this series, we'll go step by step from setting up Ollama, benchmarking performance, building a chat-like interface, all the way to integrating into real projects. The best part, you don't need expensive cloud GPUs or internet access. With Ollama, everything runs locally, giving you privacy, speed, and total control. I'll divide the series into four episodes. The first one, that is today, will start from the basics. That is what Ollama is, what, why it is so exciting, and how it makes running the large language models locally super easy. You don't need cloud GPUs or expensive servers. You with Ollama, you can run powerful AI like Mistral or CodeLLaMA run on your own machine. Think of it having your own personal version of ChatGPT, but running privately on your computer under your control. Um, I'll walk you through the setup, show how to run the first prompt, explain the big picture of why it matters. By end of the video, we'll be ready to dive deeper and unlock the full potential of Ollama. The next episode will explore how different models and settings from perform on real hardwares like CPU or GPU. Speeds. Um, In the next episode, we'll explore how different models and settings perform on real hardware from CPU versus GPU, quantization levels like Q4 and Q5. I'll also show you how parameters like temperature, top P, repeat penalty affect not just speed but also the quality of the response. Think of this as turning your AI engine for the perfect balance between performance and accuracy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to benchmark and optimize the Ollama for your own setup. Next, we'll make Ollama way more fun and interactive by building a simple chat-like interface. Instead of typing one of command, we'll create a system where you can talk to Ollama naturally, just like ChatGPT. I'll walk you through capturing user input, keeping conversation history, and formatting response so it feels smooth and real. By the end of the video, you'll have your own personal AI chatbot running locally on your computer without any internet needed. The last one. Now that you have got Ollama running smoothly, we'll integrate it into real projects. In this video, we'll show you how to call Ollama API from Python, connect it with the external tools, and even embed it inside apps. Whether you are building a research assistant, a code helper, or a RAG or retrieval augmented systems based on your documents. Ollama will make your life super easy. By the end of the video, you'll be ready to plug Ollama into your own projects and bring local AI to life. So let's jump in. Go to ollama.com and download and install the Ollama based on the operating system. After the installation is complete, you need to download the model or the LLMs. You can go here and check different models available. You can also visit the Ollama link from the GitHub. Just be mindful that you need to choose the model based on the nodes mentioned here. Say if you have a 16 GB RAM, then you're suggested to use a model with the maximum 13 billion parameters. So if you have a lower end machine, instead of Mistral, you can try a model like say this one, Llama 3.2 with 1 billion parameters. So more RAM will be able to load bigger models, and better GPU will give you better and quicker performance for the tasks. So open CMD and let us check the installation. Okay. So we'll use the Mistral 7 billion model for this tutorial. We'll type this command to pull the image. So I've already downloaded the Mistral model, so it was quick. Let us see the list of models that are available in my machine. So you can see Mistral 7 million is mentioned here. So I've downloaded only one LLM. So for now, it's showing only one. To run this particular LLM, you can type Ollama run Mistral 7 million. Okay, now it's ready to take any prompt. Let us use this prompt to write the Python code. Okay, now you can see it has written the code for you. You can type by to come out of the LLM. Okay, you can run the same LLM in different modes. With this particular command, you can check. Okay, let me give the same prompt. So in verbose mode, you can see can get more details here at the bottom. So these logs show how fast the models load, reads your prompt, and generates the responses. In further videos, we'll utilize these parameters to evaluate and benchmark different LLMs. The next prompt is for MATLAB code for tire rolling resistance analysis for regression. So let me type the prompt here. Okay, so now you have the MATLAB code against the prompt ready within seconds. We'll customize our LLMs now using a custom model file, and let us jump into the VS Code and create a file called model file. Don't give any extension like .txt or similar. Just model file is good enough, and you can copy the code directly here. Okay. Think the model file as Ollama's equivalent to Docker file for LLMs. It's a coding, it's a actually configuration that tells which base model to use, how to quantize it, how the system instructions to give, etc. In this particular case, we are using Mistral 7 billion model, and the hyperparameters we are using temperature zero point 0.7. This controls the creativity and accuracy of response, and num underscore ctx is the maximum context window size. This is how many tokens the history of the model can remember. In short, zero point 0.7 keeps the answer balanced, and 4096 lets the bot remember longer conversations. And the system prompt, this defines the model's personality, in this particular case, the coding mentor. And the template, this controls how the user input and the system prompt are combined before sending to the model. Okay, we'll go to the working directory. Let me save this first. Yeah, okay, and open CMD from here, and then you can copy this command Ollama create a Pyronics bot -f model file. With this, you can create a custom model named Pyronics bot using the model file. Okay. Now again, you can type Ollama list. You can see the customized LLM Pyronics bot is added. Now let us run Pyronics bot. So you can type this command. With this, you can run the custom model Pyronics bot we just created. It's ready now. Okay, you can give this prompt. Okay, now we can come out of this LLM and let us remove the custom model we just created. Ollama RM, the name of the custom model, and then you just see the available models in your machine. It's only at this. Okay, with this, we are concluding today's episode. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. Thank you.